Here we are just outside of Flagstaff, and there's ash in the air, there's smoke in the air, there's controlled burns around us. What's going on? Well, we're up by the Lava River cave here, also known as the lava tubes, and this is going to be our new adventure.
We're near Flagstaff, Arizona. It's a beautiful fall day, and we're so excited to go inside and show you.
They have a parking lot, there's bathrooms, and it's not too busy today. But what was really weird is the controlled burns that are going on. There's open flames, which I am just not used to in Arizona, and there's nobody around. There was signs saying that it was happening. However, I've never been around it like this. We always have a strict no fire in the camping areas, and it's just interesting to see. So the river cave is the Lava River Cave is a short distance from the parking lot. Looks like there's some picnic tables and other goodies out here, but the entrance is well marked. You can see it up here with all the rocks piled up. So this is the entrance here. Oh, okay. I hadn't seen the map before. It does split, but does it join back up?
Yeah. The ceiling is over 30 feet high. Here, so maybe take the left one. Low ceiling is sharp band. Mark the halfway point. There's a low ceiling in the sharp band with the halfway point.
There's a couple of spots where it's really low. And it kind of
so we have to come all the way back to come out?
Yep. You go in and back. This is the entrance, and you can, when you're standing out in front of it, you just feel cold air coming out.
It's cold.
Okay, this first area, we just have to go over all these big boulders. You glad you have the gloves?
Yeah.
I came through here before, and I didn't have the gloves, and it's just nice because you're putting your hand down constantly, and it's on lava rock, and it's rough. And if you have delicate computer hands like me, it's not fun. All right, we're still in the entrance area, but can you see our breath? Feels like you should go.
No.
But
Not quite.
we're still going through boulders. It's totally amazing. With the altitude here, I'm breathing pretty hard too. And so we're just getting started.
I know, just getting your balance on these rocks.
I have a feeling that most of this rock we're climbing over came off the ceilings. You can see some of the flow. When I came through here last time with the young men from our church, it was, of course, it was like a race. So it's hard to remember some of these parts, but it goes back in about 3/4 of a mile. Isn't that right, Shannon?
Yeah, that's what it says.
3/4 of a mile. So this part makes me a little nervous. When you look, this is the ceiling.
Tell me that.
And these are just hanging on.
David.
Don't touch them. Oh. I'm sure they come through here and bang on them. Sometimes there's loose rocks. You stand on them and they teeter-totter. So where the rocks are dark like that, they're like ice. So I just want to point out something that is kind of interesting. We see these large stones that have fallen. You look up and see all that glitter? I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it just sparkles. So the people coming out keep saying, at the split, go to the left. Because if you go to the right, I think you have to crawl, get on your hands and knees. And I think I remember doing that. And it was kind of uncomfortable. Holy cow. This is huge. It's like a subway.
What I think is so interesting is that this cave was formed in just a matter of minutes from the hot lava when the volcano erupted. You think of most caves that take millions of years to develop, and this was done in only a few minutes.
Wow. Did it say how long ago?
About 700,000 years ago.
700,000. 700 thou. There's probably, I was talking to somebody, he said they're probably all over out here. It's just that they've happened to find this one.
It also said that homesteaders that found this lava tube back in about 1915, they used to come in here and get ice to preserve their food, and they would take it back to their homes and cover
wow.
it and use it.
Come down here and break up ice. What did it say the temperature was?
You know, I think it said that it typically is 32 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, which is, I think, 0 to 4 degrees Celsius.
So I just want to show the ground here. This looks like lava that has just cooled. You can see the ripples in it right here that we're walking on. Really rough on the foot. Have good shoes. But this really does look like the lava flow. So we've come, did they call it the island? It's basically a split in the lava river. And this is the island right here. If you go this way to the right, which we did, it gets really low and you have to crawl. If you look over here, I don't know how you missed it. This is the split. And it's huge. And it should be a lot easier.
Just a little bit.
I always think of Star Wars with the lava flows. Remember they fight on the river of lava. Or Mordor, where they put the ring in the lava flow.
Guess what?
What?
I've got the higher ground.
You do. I always hope that our camera gear is going to last a long time. But when you're out discovering and exploring, it takes a beating. So.
It's because we're so rough and rugged.
We're so rugged.
This is the low part where I talked about it being the halfway point. Really? Oh, this is the not fun part. Whoa. This is where it's not so much fun when you're 6'3". Not so hard for me.
That would be so annoying.
All right, that's the end. We made the end. So, so we're probably not going to film much on the way back. Because it looks a lot like the way in. But,
Ooh, can we make the vlog?
you guys want to make it?
Yeah!
What do you call the inside of a sandwich?
What's the inside of a sandwich?
I don't know.
Yeah,
Well, what's the
we're
word for
trying
it?
to find out names. We're thinking
Like the inside
stuffing.
parts of a sandwich.
I thought you were
Between the
telling a
bread, what do
joke.
you call that?
The meat.
The meat.
The meat.
But
of
what
the
about
sandwich.
like
The
lettuce
content.
and stuff? The contents?
I suppose the content. Yeah. I was gonna say if there's no meat in the sandwich.
I
you
was
can't-
thinking sandwich innards.
Yeah, the innards, the guts.
some
There
sandwich
you go.
stuffing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Very interesting.
Enjoy
first time
the
yet?
dark. We came up here and these guys were having sandwiches in the dark. And we're like, and with really evil laughs. There is the entrance. Did it. Right, Shannon?
Yes.
Whew. We did it. That's a workout. Smell that smoky air. Well,
And there too.
it's kind of funny when you're walking down there. You half expect it to be dark when you get out.
Thanks for joining us on our epic adventure in the Lava River Cave. It was amazing, and even more amazing was the fact that neither one of us fell down.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little beat. It was a lot of fun, and I was shocked by the temperature when we got out, but we made it. And if you're still watching right now, please consider liking and subscribing, and check out our other videos on our channel. It'll help us out. In the meantime, just get out there, discover and explore. Thanks for watching.
Bye. Hey, David.
What?
I can't carry the ring, Mr. Frodo, but I can carry you.
You look like an elf right now.
They're taking the hobbits to Isengard.
To Isengard. To Isengard.